Alright, so in the video I made about installing this magnetic screen door, the question I got asked the most is, did it last? So I installed this door January 19th, 2020. It's March 2021 now, so it's been almost 14 months. Before you make a judgment about what you see when I show it to you, let me explain why you're going to see what you see. Alright, so first of all, you can see that it has grayed quite a bit. That's just because it gets full sun in the morning for the first half of the day. So let's take a closer look. Alright, so a couple of things here. Before you turn the video off and decide not to get this one, let me explain. You can see this huge tear on the left side, but notice how intact the right side still is. So the main reason is because of this dog. So we had this new dog and we didn't realize it had anxiety issues. If left outside, it started scratching and created a hole in the door. So then we had twin 2-year-olds and they started pulling on the hole, and then the hole got bigger, and then the dog started trying to jump through the hole, made it bigger, and now we have this huge gaping tear in the door. So had it not been for the dog, it would look just like the side and we'd be just fine. But other than the graying and maybe the rusting on some of the tacks, the screen door worked very well and we liked it before it had the hole. Which is why I decided to replace it with the very same kind. So this is by Flux Phenom, if you're looking for it. So this is just basic magnetic screen door. If you want to see how I installed this door, I do have another video like I mentioned. You'll see a link either on the screen here, at the end of the video, or in the description box. So the first thing I need to do though is try to get these tacks out. And I'm not really sure because they're pretty well in there. So my first thought is to just pull on the Velcro. Oh, there we go. Popped it right out. Kind of bent it a little bit, but that's okay. Alright, so that's the question I had about getting this out, is whether the tacks would come out easily. So they do, just in case you're ever trying to take yours out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen door and I'll catch up with you after. Yeah, just a couple of things while I'm taking this out. You can see the difference in color from the original darker black color, where the tack was there, to the gray. So it looks like I'll be able to use the same Velcro that I used to install the original one, so it's still in good shape. And one more thing while I'm still taking this thing off. One of the tacks broke, but that shouldn't be a problem. I've got some pliers here. I'll just grab onto that. Comes right out. And it's just like new, just like that. Pretty nice. Now the only other question that I got asked, well, not the only one, but one of the most commonly asked questions was, what's the gap like at the bottom? Is there a gap? Can bugs still get in? Let me show you how much gap there is. Alright, so there's the threshold of the door, and here's the bottom of the screen door. So you can see it actually touches, but when it's just hanging loose, there is a small little gap there. So it could be enough for a bug to crawl through, I guess, but if you've already got a door with no screen, well, then this screen door is better than no screen. And it's better than a door that doesn't close all the way and leaves a gap around the door frame. So in my opinion, the gap's not that important. It's better than nothing, and it's pretty minimal. Okay, so that about wraps it up. If that was helpful at all, just leave a thumbs up. That's all I ask. Thanks for watching. Bye.